Burt, where's Taco? Where's Taco, Burt? Huh? He must be way out there. He must be way out there, huh? You're already done? My goodness. Look who's outside. Hi, Louis. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, baby? I see you. I don't see Taco yet, but I see you. Hanging outside at Grandma's. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful day. And I think Taco's way out there. There he is. Hey, Taco. You see him way out there? No, there goes Uncle Burt. Everybody's so tiny. Everybody's so tiny. I see you, Taco. Here goes Uncle Burt. Wow. Oops. Covered you up. Oops, I covered you up. There comes Taco. Hi, Taco. Hi, Taco. I see you. I see you down there. Here comes Uncle Burt. Here comes Uncle Burt. Everybody's running up here. Yes. Hi, Uncle Burt. What you doing down there, Taco? Hi, Louis. Hi, baby. I know. It's a string to play with. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What's Taco doing? What are you sniffing down there, buddy? What are you sniffing? Taco. You smell someone in the other yard? Smell someone in the other yard. What do you think, Uncle Burt? He's like, uh-huh. Yeah, is someone over there? How you doing, Louis? Hi. How you doing, baby? I see you. I see you. Are you done, Taco? You want to come in? Taco. Hi, Uncle Burt. Oh. There he comes. We gotta start cleaning out Grandma's garden area. Now that it's starting to get warmer, we can work on putting a garden in. What do you think about that, Louis? Huh? What do you think about that? Does that sound like a good plan? Yeah? I know. You hear all the birdies. Hear all the birdies. And there's Taco Buddy. What are you doing, Taco Buddy? Are you all done? Ready to go inside? Huh? Yeah. I see you got both feet on the ground in the back. Yep. Uncle Burt says, uh-huh. I'm done. Everybody's done. What do you think, Louis? Huh? Taco's still sniffing around. Birdie Burt. You all done? You wanna come up? You wanna come up? Yeah. Hi, buddy. There's Taco down there. Woo-wee. Ready to go inside, Taco? Are you? Are you ready to go inside? Want me to pick you up? Yeah? Should I come pick you up? Oh, you want Mama to pick you up? Okay. Yes, I got you. Whoops. I turned it the wrong way, Lewis. I turned it the wrong way. What about you? Ready to go inside? Huh? Are you? I got the puppies. I do. All right. I'm going to take them inside.